Welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we learn how to compare two objects in JavaScript to check if the first object contains all the key value pairs of the second object. This technique is especially useful when validating data structures or verifying if one object matches a specific subset of another. Let's dive in. The task is simple. We compare two objects and check if all the key value pairs in the second object exists in the first. For example, if object 1 has the properties hair is long and beard is true, and object 2 also has these properties, the result is true. If even one key value pair doesn't match, the result is false. Here's how the code works. First, we use object keys to get all the keys from the second object, which is the reference object. Second, for each key, we check two conditions using the every method. The first condition, the key exists in the first object using hasOnProperty. Second condition, the value in the first object should match the value in the second object using a strict comparison. And finally, if all conditions are met, the function returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. This ensures that the second object is fully contained within the first. Let's break the function down into logical steps. First, we extract all the keys from the second object using the object.keys method. We then iterate through each key using the every method. For each key, we check if it exists in the first object using the hasOnProperty method. We then compare the values in both objects using a strict equality. If all keys and values match, we return true. Otherwise, we return false. This ensures a complete comparison between two objects. Here's how the function performs with different inputs. In the first example, all the keys and values in object 2 match those in object 1, so the output is true. In the second example, object 1 is missing the age property from object 2, so the output is false. In the third example, the age property exists in both objects but has different values, so the output is also false. This demonstrates the function's ability to handle various scenarios. This functionality has several practical applications. Data validation, to ensure that the user input or data structure contain the required properties. Configuration matching, to verify if the system settings or configurations match predefined requirements. Subset checking, to determine if one object is a subset of another, such as in filtering operations. And API response validation, to validate if responses from APIs contain the expected data. It is a powerful and versatile tool for working with objects in JavaScript. In summary, this program demonstrates how to compare two objects in JavaScript to check if one contains equivalent property values to the other. By using modern JavaScript methods like the object.keys and every method, you can efficiently validate and compare objects in your applications. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript videos. I'll see you in the next one.